Do you want to make these amazing thumbnails? Do you want to be one of those people who get a shit ton of views and money? Well then worry not, cause I'm here to teach ya. So, first things first is you gotta get inspiration from other channels. So for example, we have subject number 1. This guy has 878k subscribers. Look how he averages over a million views because of these amazing thumbnails. You can see what they consist of. Hot girls, maybe some doggos, but doggos is not meta right now. They're not meta at all. Like, look how many views compared to this. Like, you see the difference here. So, what can we do? The good old meta of a bunch of arrows are basically gone. Because if you look at compilation videos, yes, I spelled compilation wrong. You go down, you scroll through here, you see all these thumbnails, you see all this stuff, and think to yourself, well, people come here for the music. Where's the clickbait? Oh shit, I watched this video, that's pretty cool. You see hot e-grills, hot dots in there as well. You can make it like a boss complainants. But yeah, so the example that we're going to be taking here is how to recreate this Russian name right here. How to recreate his thumbnails to your own. So first things first, open up your editing software. This is from a song I released on SoundCloud. Please don't watch it, link in the description. How long is a thumbnail? I have no fucking idea. Let's Google it. Blech. How long is a nail? How long is a YouTube thumbnail? Okay, so they're about 1280 by 720. So back to the editing program. If you guys are really poor and not rich as me, because I'm flexing out with a Photoshop that I bought legitimately, like I'm fucking serious. Okay, well, school for the win. Yeah, so we go for the width. Blech. Okay, now we made the perfect thumbnail for our shit. Now let's look at this guy. Back to our subject. First things first. He posts the title or the category of his video down in the corner. So for me, I'm gonna make it tutorial. So I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna put in tutorial. Oh shit, it's winglings. Now, of course we could use some basic shit like impact, but we are pro people, and because we have access to all these amazing fonts. Well, I have access. I don't know about you guys. Just go pirate Photoshop or something. Warning, this disclaimer, I am not encouraging you to pirate Photoshop. Please do not pirate Photoshop. It should just be a joke. Let's put in this tutorial. Let's pump it up so you can see its tutorial. And you can see from him, he like puts it a little bit above. So let's put it a little bit above. Tutorial right here. He also has a small black line you see over here. We're just gonna do the same shit. How to make a clickbait thumbnail? Just steal others' thumbnail. Let's put in that black fill. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. That's what I'm talking about. That looks amazing. Very good. Mwah. Put in another layer, and here's where our clickbait baby will be. So we gotta have, of course, since I'm making this in Photoshop, let's bring up a picture of Photoshop. You can do what the fuck you want. Just make sure that it looks good. So here I put up a picture of Photoshop and rotated it to fit perfectly in my thumbnail. Maybe I should get some arrows or like the editing program or maybe some shit like that. Whatever. Okay. Now that we have completely stolen this picture of a Photoshop program, we're just gonna edit the contents inside here so it looks like a super amazing title, a clickbait thumbnail. The first thing we need is some clickbait material. You can search e-grill. Oh, I forgot we don't use that term anymore. You can search e-girl. What the fuck is this shit? E-girl hot. Okay, I'm gonna have to censor some of this because it doesn't look good. I can tell you that. Clickbait. Clickbait. E-girl? Wait, I just got clickbaited to an article about clickbaiting. Ugh. Okay, so we got the clickbait thumbnail, but there's a watermark on it. What do I do? Don't worry, just crop it. There we go. But what do you fill with it? Don't worry, I got you covered. You can fill it up with some dollar, cause you know you will be making a shit ton of dollars after you have finished this thumbnail, am I right? Guys, now all you gotta do is just outline the ass. Use the pen tool for it. Actually, fuck the pen tool, don't use that. Use this thing instead, I don't know what it's called. Just simply highlight the ass part right here and make a nice stroke between it. And then, look, it's amazing. Now you just gotta make it red. Now that you made it red, you need an arrow. I know how I said arrows are not meta. Well, forget all I taught you, cause you can experiment, you can do what the fuck you want. It's your clickbaity thumbnail. Now that you have made an amazing arrow, which shows very clearly what your intent is to make money out of that ass. So, I would say this is enough. Honestly, keep it simple, keep it realistic. But you forgot one thing, and I noticed it. If you look at our subject, you see he has outlined some arrows here and put a small emoji in the top left and sometimes top right corner. We should do that too. It's a heart emoji, so let's just do the same. We're gonna search up heart emoji. This is the heart emoji he's using. Gonna paste it in. And if you want to attract weebs who are into 2D women and not 3D, because they find them way more superior, then just search up hot anime girl. Now that you got the amazing thumbnail that you're gonna use for your hot anime girl, just put it in your main thumbnail. To not get copyright striked, you can also flip the image. Now just do the same that you did with the ass. You can see how perfect she is, but to make it even more perfect, you can give her some blending options like another stroke. She doesn't have to be red. It's too much in the eyes. Make it more clearer, like this. Now that you got everything set up, you better work on that text again. Now doesn't that look good? Now get it some inner glow. Green actually works really well here. Now that you have added shadow that you have no idea even if it is there or not, but I guess it looks good, so why not? Proceed to highlight the corners of your thumbnail. You can very easily do that by clicking on your main background and using blending options on it. There we go. Now you completely cropped it so the highlight will be all green and it looks super good. And we're finished. Thank you for watching, and you know a guy under 1k subscribers can get no money out of this tutorial, so please subscribe so I can get some money. Please, please. Help a starving YouTuber like me.